All right, thanks, Corey. We are joined once again by Dr. Rollins. We have a pretty manly topic today, permanent makeup. Permanent makeup.
And I have a special guest.
Yeah.
This is Jennifer from Bellezza Laser Aesthetics. Jen's a esthetician and laser specialist, but she also is an expert on permanent makeup, also known as cosmetic tattooing. So I'll let her tell you about it.
Essentially, it's a non-invasive service. The gun is pretty small and simple. Basic way I do it is I just, with eyebrows, I just do little hair strokes and eyeliner. I just go across the eye, and it's a pretty simple procedure. Usually I'm done within 2 hours, essentially. I choose a color based on your skin type, because that is always a fear of having the wrong color of eyeliner or eyebrows.
Yeah, I'm sure. Are people kind of very hesitant to do this because it's permanent? I mean, you can't change that. Is there a lot of hesitancy with that?
I think the biggest fear is, if I don't like it, can I take it away? And based on my consultation with you, I don't want that to be a fear at all. I want you to be completely comfortable in terms of, once we have the consultation, that that you won't have to worry about it, being something you don't like.
Yeah, absolutely.
And does it hurt is the biggest question. And it is a cosmetic tattoo, and it can hurt based on your pain tolerance, but it's nothing that I think that we can't fix or help subside with a little bit of a topical anesthetic as the beginning of the procedure and during the procedure.
Okay, very good. So it basically is a tattoo.
Correct.
Okay, and it can be removed if someone has regrets or something, if need be. But
essentially, yes, you could.
Okay.
One question we get is, are they, really permanent? And essentially they are, but they'll fade just like a regular tattoo will fade.
Okay.
So people do need periodic touch-ups, and that may range depending on their sun exposure or topical products they use, the color that Jen and the client pick. So it's real important to try and get the color right. But periodically, when it needs maintenance, you can change the color a little bit, change the shape a tiny bit. But in general, it's really important to get it right in the first place. And the patients that we've had do it love it. Who should get these? A lot of people with low thyroid or with aging or different conditions, they lose their eyebrows, and so they're trying to apply makeup all the time, and this is a nice alternative. My mom got one of these a couple years ago, and she loves it. She's real active hiking and jogging and golfing, and it doesn't come off in sweat, so a lot of athletes really like these type of permanent tattoos.
Absolutely. We have a couple of pictures we can maybe pull up real quick, kind of a closer look at this. Is this a more popular thing that's really come up recently in the past several years?
Absolutely. In the last 5 to 10 years, it's because of the convenience of it. We start to lose our eyesight as we age, and as Dr. Rollins mentioned, our hair starts to thin, so essentially our eyebrows disappear. And it defines us, and we can enhance our natural beauty as we age with permanent makeup.
Yeah, absolutely. So it's a good option for a lot of people that may be looking for maybe an easier way to put on makeup, just have it done, maybe not worry about it. And I'm sure there's other reasons for that we have mentioned as well. So guys, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
If you have any questions for them, feel free to give Dr. Rollins a call. There's the phone number right there on your screen, and we will be right back right after this break.